Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Danielle Niles. Happy Friday. Sun and clouds, nice winter day today. Temperatures in the upper 30s. Wind should generally be less than 15 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy, 20s in the suburbs, 30 in Boston. The wind will kick up tomorrow though, but it drags in the mild air. Highs right around 50 degrees for our Saturday, feeling more like March as opposed to January. Mid to upper 40s on Sunday. Intervals of sun and clouds really between now and through the end of the weekend. Now Monday, we're going to have to keep our eye on a warm front. Monday looks mainly dry. Clouds will thicken. A little burst of a wintry mix, potentially snow changing over to rain Monday night into Tuesday with a gusty wind at the coastline. That's the next system to watch. It may end as a little bit of snow depending on how quickly the cold air comes in as well. But it looks like the precip shuts off. The sun comes back and temperatures will be in the upper 30s on Wednesday, low 30s on Thursday. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you again Monday morning for WBZ this morning and Sunday morning on the field at Gillette. Go Pats.